Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since we last saw each other. Literally, it seems like a completely different world we were in literally just 6 months ago when I made my last video. But, you know, we're back, we're here, and we're going to talk about Pattern. This is Tracee Ellis Ross's hair care line, in case you didn't know. This is a great time to be talking about it because she actually just came out with phase 2 of the line that has more styling products like gels and combs and things like that. But today we're going to be reviewing the Hydrating Shampoo, the Heavy Conditioner for Coilies, and the leave-in conditioner. So if you're at all interested in this product line, stay tuned. Okay, so I am back with fully detangled hair. As you can see, it's pretty stretched out and really fluffy. I always finger detangle my hair before I shampoo it on wash days just because that's what works for me. It's gentler than using a comb or a brush. But some people I know can't finger detangle their hair, so they use combs and things like that. That's totally fine, whatever works, just you don't ever want to wash your hair when there are knots in there, because when you try to like scrub your scalp and like rinse out your hair and stuff, those knots are just gonna continue to get knottier. So you always want to make sure you start off with as detangled enough hair as you can. But we're gonna go ahead and just jump right into the shower and see how these products work. All right, so we're in the shower now, and I'm just gonna go in with the hydration shampoo. This is about the amount that I use, and I'm gonna use this to just scrub into my scalp and rake that through from the roots to the ends. As you can see, my hair is a little bit tangled, and you guys saw it in the previous clip, like, you know, I really detangled it. So that just shows how drying this shampoo was. Despite the name, it just really wasn't, you know, giving me the moisture I thought it would, which caused me to use even more conditioner later on. So now I'm going in with the conditioner, and I'll show you just about the amount that I use. And like I said, I did end up using a little bit more than this, and I also did kind of a deep conditioning treatment by leaving it in my hair for 10 minutes and then also covering it with a plastic cap. And hey, if you decide to do a deep condition treatment on your hair for 10 minutes, you know, take that time, sign a petition, donate some funds. Black lives still matter. After washing that out, we're gonna go ahead and get into the styling. Hey guys, pardon the interruption, but as you can see, this part of my video did get deleted. You know, 2020 has struck again. We can't have anything nice these days, but basically what you didn't get a chance to see was me putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair on fully saturated hair, and I also did it in sections. You'll get to see like the end of that and then the rest of my styling. So back to the video. Alright, so just before this, I just took a spray bottle and completely wet my hair, and now I'm going through it with my Detangling brush. And then I'm going to pick up about a quarter size amount of the product and just rake that through with my fingers. I'll say that for this product, a little goes a long way, which I love. You're getting a lot of bang for your buck, and that's always a plus for me. And then I'm going to follow up by brushing through that section with my Detangling brush. And this is what I did for my entire head. Okay, so that is my hair with the leave-in conditioner. My bangs are acting a little crazy right now, but it feels pretty moisturized and hydrated, which I love. The back is still just kind of like, she just ain't soaking it up, but that's also partly on like just the way my hair is. But for the most part, the curls look pretty defined, and the rest of my head seems to really like this product. But now I'm going to go ahead and diffuse it, and we'll see what the end result looks like. So here's the finished product. As you can see, after diffusing my hair, it's kind of fluffed up a little bit, but we still have a lot of good definition, which I love. Over some time, obviously these curls will probably frizz out a little bit more, but for day one hair, I think that the curls came out pretty nicely, and I did get a lot of that moisture back from the leave-in conditioner that I thought I had lost during the shampooing process. Overall, I thought the line was pretty good. I can't say that I will probably use the shampoo again, just because it just really felt like it dried out my hair. It's a hydration shampoo, so it's supposed to keep it moisturized, but I mean, I don't know. I didn't love it, but overall, Miss Ross, I think you did a great job. Definitely love that different products are made for different curl types. I use the heavy conditioner, obviously, because I have curly hair, type 3 hair. And if you have type 4 hair, definitely be reaching for the heavy conditioner. And I believe they also make a lighter conditioner for those type 2 hairs who have like a little bit more of a loose wave. But yeah, overall, I think I'm pretty happy with the results. I'll check back in a few days just to see what the curls kind of look like, but I think they look pretty good. And here is the final product. This is the next day, what my curls are kind of looking like. My hair did turn out to be a little bit wider than what I'm used to, definitely coming out more. I'm more used to getting like a lot of length, not so much shrinkage, but I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. You can see it's like kind of just dusting my shoulders a little bit. There was a slight cast with the leave-in conditioner. So like the kind of cast you get from gels that kind of like holds the curl in place. There was a cast that I felt throughout the day, but it did dissolve overnight, so I don't feel it as much. My curls do feel a little bit drier than they usually do, but they did say that you can also combine the leave-in conditioner or any of their products with hair oils, so like argan oil or olive oil. So the next time I use the leave-in conditioner, I might reach for some hair oils as well, just to keep my curls moisturized. But overall, Tracee, I think you did the thing. I think you did a really good thing. I think I do give this line 2 thumbs up. I would love to try more products. There are obviously more to the line, but I will link all of the products down below in case you want to try them for yourself. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Please make sure to like and subscribe. I'm hoping I can do a few more videos about hair, lifestyle, things like that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video.